Hey everybody, I'm back. Just a quick video. I got some new wheels. Pretty hyped on them. I guess I'll just show them. They are BBS REV7. The specs are 18 by 9.5 plus 45. So the offset's not too aggressive, but it's actually pretty flush with the fender, I would say. Excuse the airplane. Here you can see zoom in. So there you go. See, there's a little tiny bit of poke, I guess. So not really sure why people say plus 38 or plus 40. I mean, sorry, plus 38 or plus 35 is flush, because they definitely poke. Let me get a shot from the front. As you can see, the tires that I got, they are some Michelin PS4S, and they are 255 40 18. So yeah, I did clean them yesterday, but I cleaned the whole car before I put them on, but I did go out for a night drive, so might be some dust. There's my dog. One of them. There's the other one. I also didn't make a video, but I did add a couple mods. My throwout bearing was squeaky, so I figured I'd replace the whole clutch while the transmission was out. I had a shop do it. I got an XD Stage 1 non-HD, and it holds a little bit more torque than the stock clutch, but it feels just like stock to me. So again, it's the XD Stage 1 non-HD. They have the heavy duty version, but I got the non-heavy duty. And I also added a Cobb air oil separator. So yeah. And also I have my OEM wheels for sale, and with the tires and the TPMS, if anybody in California, Southern California, wants to pick them up. I have a few stuff for sale actually, but maybe I'll make a separate video on that. Anyway, want to save up for the brakes next, and then for the coilovers plus air cups for the front only. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.